Welcome back to data-helm crawler. So far, we've pointed it at 3 different sites and let it do the work. This time, we build the environment it runs in. This is datahelm/environment with one N. That's its name on GitHub. A full local Docker stack for a Laravel app, nginx, PHP 8.4, PostgreSQL, Redis, Supervisor, and bundled alongside them, the crawler's 2 optional anti-bot services. Clone it and step inside. You get the compose file, the Docker files, the nginx config, Supervisor, and an empty src folder. That src folder is where your Laravel app lives. Every service in the stack mounts it as the application root. So let's put an app there. You don't need PHP or Composer installed on your machine because the stack ships a dockerized Composer service. Delete the README placeholder first, since Composer refuses to install into a folder that isn't empty, then run create project through Docker. And there it goes. 109 packages, then Composer's own post-install hooks finish the job. env example copied to env, the application key generated, the default migrations applied. You never run key, generate yourself. When it stops, you have a working Laravel app. Now the part that matters. Open the compose file and scroll down, and you'll find 2 services you won't see in a normal Laravel stack. Browserless is a real headless Chromium. The browser transport uses it to render JavaScript-heavy pages and pass anti-bot checks that need an actual browser. Cookies, JavaScript execution, a real TLS fingerprint. FlareSolverr is a stealth Chromium tuned for one job, solving Cloudflare and DDoS-Guard challenges. A plain HTTP client can't do either. This is why I'm sharing the environment instead of just the package. Both are already defined, networked, and on the right ports. You don't wire them up yourself. With the app in place, install the crawler. 1 command through that same Composer service. 2 packages land, data-helm crawler and Symfony DOM crawler. Laravel discovers the service provider on its own, and 14 seconds later, it's in. Last step, tell the crawler how to fetch. The documentation has the block ready, so copy it and paste it at the bottom of your Laravel env. Crawler.transport auto is the line that matters. It detects the protection on each site and escalates by itself. Guzzle first, then Browser or FlareSolverr. The 2 service URLs already match the containers we just looked at, and the scraping API keys stay empty until you hand it a key. And the stack is ready. 1 clone, 1 Laravel app, 1 Composer require, and 1 env block, and every transport works out of the box. Full docs at datahelm.dev.